How you doing, Modi?
I'm fine.
All right. Tell me about yourself, where you're from, what you do, and what your name is.
Okay, my name is Motuma.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. Uh-huh. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, cool. Go ahead. Tell me more.
I need learning English.
You live in America?
What to say?
You live in America?
Yeah. ግን አዲስ ነኝ ኢንቦክስ አድርጌ ነበር አሁን
How long you been living there?
what to say?
For how long have you been living there? About
Only 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah.
How did you get there? Is it legally? Like you went there on a plane?
More ያስቸገረኝ ያለው አሰክቱ ነው
How? You go to America on a plane, on a boat, on what?
on plane.
Walking? On a plane legally.
Yeah.
በህጋዊ.
Yeah.
Okay. Why didn't you learn English when you knew that you would be going to America? Like መቼስ በአንድ ሽት ብድግ የሚባልና የሚኬድበት አይደለም እንዳለ አውቀህ why didn't you learn English prior to you going there?
To communication or to what to say? አዲስ ነኝ በቃ
I understand. Okay. Listen to me, Moti. You have a plan to go to America. In your mind, after 1 year, I go to America. After 6 months, I go to America. After 3 months, I go to America. After 1 month, I go to America. In your mind, again, sound come. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
America speak what? Where me from? English.
Yeah.
So why not learn English? Why not?
Condition affect መሆን ይችላል
Condition not good?
Yeah.
Money condition? Health condition? What condition?
ኬርለስ ወይ ችላ ባይነት ነገር
English careless waiting. ይመቻል. By the way guys, ማንኛውም ኢትዮጵያዊ ማለት ነው የሆነ ትክክለኛ እንግሊዝኛ እንኳን ባይናገር የሚግባባበት የራሱ እንግሊዝኛ አለው። አሁን እነሱ የምንግባባበትን እንግሊዝኛ ታዩታላችሁ። አማርኛ ሳንጠቀም በእንግሊዝኛ ግን እንግባባለን። ማለት እንግሊዝኛ እሱን እግዚአብሔር ይወቅ። Okay. So, you careless in condition, huh?
Yeah.
Wait, careless in condition because Ethiopia, you gangster style have?
No.
What have?
Because
Don't worry. This question hard maybe. Don't worry, huh? Okay, Moti. How is America?
it's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
What like? What like?
Like I like traffic what?
Police?
Traffic
The
system.
traffic?
Yeah, traffic police, yeah.
Okay, you like the traffic police in America. Okay, nice. More.
I like lifestyle.
What do you mean lifestyle? What's the difference? Ethiopia lifestyle? What's the
Security of house.
security of house is good.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me three more. Go.
I like lifestyle. I say lifestyle, okay?
Yeah. You said that, but okay, don't worry. I have another question. Not worry, this is boring question, huh?
Okay.
So, your style in Ethiopia and America, the same or different? Your style?
The same.
You the same? Like in
No,
Ethiopia,
no,
you don't
no,
clothes the same?
no,
You,
no.
is you different?
It's just different, yeah.
Okay, what different? What different?
It's condition.
What condition?
It's weather. Sorry.
Earth condition. Okay,
No,
earth
weather
condition, weather
condition.
condition.
Weather condition.
Weather condition. It's okay. Same. Earth condition, weather condition. Don't worry. No, my question is, for example, you see, now my style, like I have like this. This is my style, huh? So your style, clothes, everything, Ethiopia and America, the same?
No, no, no.
Different?
Yeah.
You change what? You change what? What change?
At this America,
Uh, new clothes?
yeah, nucleus and big clothes.
Big clothes. In Ethiopia, yeah, you see, yeah, me, Ethiopia, you America, that is why you big, I'm small. Okay, another question, last question, Last question. Here on TV, America woman, beautiful,
Yeah.
very beautiful.
Yeah.
They're beautiful?
Yeah.
Really?
Really.
Okay, so you see America woman, what feeling?
I like it.
Really?
Yeah.
Your heart, or what?
More. ምን ይባላል? ረሳው በቃ እንግሊዝኛ
I got it. No, I'm more what? Okay. Now you want America woman or Ethiopia woman?
ኢትዮጵያን
Come on. Right?
ያ
Why?
ኢትዮጵያን ውመንስ ኢዝ our tradition or our lifestyle. One.
Yeah, but America woman is free, relax. Clothes, no problem. Maybe like this, and maybe she sees you like him, like there, everything
No.
free.
No, I don't like that. I like an Ethiopian woman.
Okay, but Moti, now you have two tongue. Now you said America woman beautiful. I like it.
No,
Now
no,
you
no.
say,
I don't say that.
yeah. What?
I say
Everybody sees this here. You said my heart is like this.
I like its lifestyle. እንደዚህ ነው
Moti, no. I said Ethiopia woman. Me, I look on TV, America woman, beautiful. Now you said yes, it is true. Now you go back, but it's okay. Anyways, good luck. Do you have a girlfriend?
At this time I haven't.
You don't have a girlfriend.
I know.
Okay, nice. Big, yeah. Here, girls, if you want to go to America and you want to marry the handsome Moti inbox, huh? Yeah.
በኢንቦክስ ማማት
Wait. All right, okay, we're done. Okay. ምንም አማርኛ ሳናወራ ተግባባን። ዝም ብለህ ሀሳብ ላይ ፎከስ ብቻ ነው ማድረግ መቻል ያለብህ። ከዛ ቀስ ያለ ይስተካከላል። ጣጣ የለውም። አንድ ያደረገን እናስችላለን። ምንም እንዳታስብ እሺ። በቃ እንደዚህ ነው ግን ክላሱ የሚሆነው። ዝም ብሎ ሪ ያሉ ማስተማር ሳይሆን ማለማመድ ነው የሚሆነው። ኦኬ ግን በትንሹ 1 ዓመት ወስንለት። 1 ዓመት በቃ ብዬ እመራለሁ ብለህ የምታስብ ከሆነ አሪፍ አስተማሪ እሰጥሃለሁ። ቀስ ቀስ እያሉ በደንብ ያሳየዋል ማለት ነው። እሺ ሙቴ አንበሳ፣ ዋናው እዛ የሚል ነው እንጂ ቋንቋ ነገር ብዙ አያሳስብም። እሺ ኤቭሪባዲ። እሺ ሞቲ ከሄዱ በፊት አበባ ምናምን ስጡልኝና 100 አስገባው። ከዛ ቀጥሎ ደግሞ ሌላ አስገባ ማለት ነው። ሜይ ቢ አስገባ ግን ይችላል። ጋይስ ከመሄዱ በፊት ሞቲን እስኪ አፕሪሺየት አድርጉት። እንደዚህ ነው በቃ ፈልገው ማለት ማንም ወጣችሁ ተጨፋጭፋችሁ ምንም ሳይመስላችሁ ላጠታላችሁ። አሁን ችግሩ ብዙዎቻችሁ ኩርኩር ሊጫወት ያላችሁ ነው የሙጉዶ ናችሁት። I'm pretty sure almost all of you are burying him out here, but like still like you want to play cool. That's why you need to cross over that Habesha mentality. There you go, man. You see, everybody love you. I think this girl singling circle the one they gave you a hat and everything. Yeah. There you go. You see, we love you so much. We appreciate you. Okay.
Thank you.
I got you, man. One love. Inbox me your number.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. It's Sharko.
Okay. Don't worry. You're doing good.
Okay.